Higgsfield just introduced something called Canvas and its node-based workflow, and people are going crazy over it. In this video, I am going to show you how you can generate and use Canvas for creative workflows in the best way possible. First of all, you have to go to the Higgsfield.ai website. As you all know, you can see the Canvas button right on the front, on the upper side. On Canvas, you can simply use the templates generated by Higgsfield or click on Create a new canvas. Once it loads the canvas, it will show you a prompt box, image generator, video generator, etc. I'm going to start with the prompt box. With the hand button, you can move the node anywhere. And with the plus button, you get different types of nodes like image generators, video generators, and more. Let's select the image generator. In the prompt box, you have to type your prompt. I'm typing, create an image of an NVIDIA Blackwell GPU rack on the pedestal, sport, etc. Then, just connect this node to the image generator node. If you are familiar with ComfyUI, it's exactly like that, but an upgraded version. You get different types of models, and you can select the aspect ratio. Then, click on the Start Generating button here, and it will start creating. You can also see an LLM Assist button here in the plus button here. You get assistance from LLMs, like Claude or OpenAI. You can select any model you prefer. The best models, as you know, are the top ones available right now. With this plus button, you get lots of node options. You can upload your own assets from your computer or past assets from your projects. If you scroll down, you also get voiceovers, sticky notes, text, and whatnot. Scrolling down, I will create another prompt box for video creation. I want the camera to rotate 360 degrees on the pedestal. Basically a camera whirling around the subject. I am adding a video node here, and then I will connect these two nodes together, the prompt node and the video node. For video generation, you get lots of models like Seedance, Kling 1, etc. The best one currently is Seedance 2.0. You can also select the duration of the video, whichever you like, the quality, like 720p or 1080p, and the aspect ratio. Don't forget to turn on the audio toggle so your video generates with audio. Our image is currently generating. With the select button, you can select different items from the canvas. On the left-hand side, you get your undo, redo, and duplicate buttons. On the below left-hand side, you get the plus and minus zoom buttons. Also on the right-hand side, you get the team chat, where you can directly chat with your team. You can say, "Hi everyone," and tag anyone using the @ symbol. In the top corner, you have the share button. Under share, you get two options, public or private. Click on public and then click on permissions. Here you can select options like joining, default role, and others, allowing teammates to collaborate and adjusting the visibility of your content. Just send a link or invite a viewer or collaborator via email. It's very beneficial for teams using it together, and all changes are auto-saved here on Cloud Now. Our image has been created. Let's connect the nodes of image and video together. I already pasted the prompt, so I'll click on Generate. You can write prompts yourself, or you can use the LLM assistant here. We will wait until it creates our video. Until then, we will further explore Higgsfield Canvas. By selecting multiple nodes, you can group them all together. You can move them to a different project, or simply give the group a name. I am giving it the name NVIDIA Rules. By clicking on the group, you can download it, delete it, or simply lock it so it won't accidentally move anywhere. With the marker tool, you can draw anything you like on the canvas. You also get a sticky note button, which is very useful for annotating things. You can simply leave notes for your teammates or for yourself, and you get a bunch of settings for these sticky notes too. The best feature of this canvas is Higy. This is Higgsfield's own AI bot that can actually create workflows for you. We will explore this later on, but this is the best feature. You won't get this in any other node-based platform. Having Higy built in is a super game changer. Now it has created the video. Let's play it. Oh, it hallucinated a little bit. I think I need to work on my prompts because the model is top-notch. The flaws are in my prompts since I directly copied them from a chatbot, but it usually works very well. I previously created a bunch of videos and they turned out perfectly. the flaw is in my prompt, not the model or platform. I will just download this video using this button above. Let's move on to the next feature with Higsy. I have opened a new project and I'm going to click on Higsy here. Then click on Create a Pipeline. You can turn any idea or prompt into a node-based workflow. Anything you like, Higsy will create the node for you. Once I click on it, Higsy will ask me about the flow I want to build. I will describe it. If you remember, I created an ad for Volt Rush in a previous video. We are going to recreate another ad, but this time using Higgsfield Canvas. I uploaded the flow to Higsy. Just like Claude Code asks us before applying changes to code, Higsy will ask us to apply or remove the changes. It automatically generated everything. I did not have to touch a single node. It built the entire workflow. It's pretty good. I got the upload button, 3 image generation nodes, and the final video ad node. First, I'm going to upload my source material, which is our Volt Rush energy drink PNG. It auto-selected the format and model, but I will correct it to 9:16 for all of them. The model I'm going to select for images is GPT Image 2.0. For the video, I am selecting Seedance 2.0 and a 10-second duration and a 9:16 format, which is for a vertical ad, basically an Instagram or TikTok style ad. And remainder, all the links and resources used are in the video description, so don't worry about it. With Higsy, you barely have to touch any nodes. You just have to make minor changes if it makes a mistake. It's incredibly useful, but I still encourage you to play around with it manually. Let me adjust the models first to GPT. It directly connected all the image outputs into the video node. We can start the entire creation process in parallel by clicking the Run All button. The images are now generating concurrently. I will skip ahead and show you the final result. We uploaded the Volt Rush PNG and it generated 3 different images: a tired athlete, the product combing towards the screen, and the Feel the Rush image. Finally, it passed those into the last node, which is our video ad. Let's play this one on the screen. It looks great and it has audio too. The ad is perfect. We can post it straight to Instagram or use it as a standard post. You can use Canvas for so many different things, and you can simply clear the Higsy chat using the erase button. I also previously worked on another project before shooting this video. I encourage you to play around with the models. I spent about an hour playing with it and generated some amazing results. Even though I am new to node-based workflows, I really enjoyed experimenting. I sketched something, added some nodes, and it generated a great video ad. Somehow I forgot to turn on the audio toggle while generating, so it didn't create sound for that specific Volt Rush ad. It's also slightly laggy on my screen right now, but that's just my slow internet connection today, so my apologies for that. I also tried my hand at AI filmmaking. Although I don't have any experience in it, I gave it a try. I made one attempt that turned out to be a disaster because I forgot to connect some nodes properly. But finally, on my 3rd attempt, I created the best Volt Rush ad I have ever made. I can play it here. I uploaded the product, it created 3 different images and then stitched them together into a 16:9 format. I'm playing it now. And it really is the best ad I've created. All I want to say is, play around with the models and you will get to know how they work. Explore the platform yourself and find out what works best for you. Find the best prompts and experiment with the nodes. I am genuinely just enjoying connecting different models together on the canvas. I also want to praise the Higgsfield AI team. They are shipping updates so fast. A few days ago, they shipped their MCP tool, then CLI. Before that, they introduced the Marketing Studio and Cinema Studio, and now they've introduced Canvas. They are shipping at lightning speed. It feels like they are leaving the competition behind. After all, in the world of AI, speed is everything. Whoever moves fastest wins. Thank you for watching this video. To give you an idea of what else you can create with Canvas, the possibilities are truly endless. You can use it for VFX, photography, for marketing campaigns, architecture, exploring different styles, animation, branding, and simply bringing your ideas to life. You can integrate it into your workflow, create content for your social media pages, build AI influencers, and whatnot. It is simply the best tool to have in your toolkit right now. All the important links and prompts I used are in the video description. If you like this video, let me know, and I am totally open to suggestions in the comments. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.